Welcome back to the channel. This is Pilot Ryan, and yes, I've already fixed it. I love the Sportix. This is just the second flight. I had a great first flight, but the second flight was more exciting. Obviously, check out the Eflite Sportix. It's fantastic plane. Plane ES4S. Tech spec links in the description. Have fun with the video, and check out the rest of the channel if you like. Enjoy. So this is the 2200 4S this time. Should be easier to hang on the prop. Kicking big rudder, bring it down here. Man, I really like how this flies. It is neat having something with this symmetrical airfoil and no dihedral like this that is 100% what you would expect out of a plane called a Sportix. I like it. Neat-o. That looked close. This glide. What? You gotta be kidding. This, the battery, who knows where it is. This, well, that was fun as hell while it lasted, I gotta tell you. Bro. Okay. Let's see if we can find the battery that's ejected itself into another dimension. I'm not sure there's a better way to hit more square on a pole. I don't think you could do that better if you tried, actually, if I'm being honest. I hope I got that, because that was absolutely epic.